Spotify Music is one of the major sites for searching for and listening to various sorts of music. Consider what it would be like to be paid and earn money online simply by listening to music. I mean, isn't it incredible? It makes no difference if you're from India, the Philippines, the United States, Nigeria, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Indonesia, or anywhere else in the world. You can start earning money right now by simply listening to Spotify Music, and you can cash out your earnings quickly. You can earn $260 or $160 or even a large payment of over $900. And guess what? You can do this as many times as you like. You don't need any followers, you don't even need to refer anyone to this platform. And you don't need any money to get started because this is completely free. Please do subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell before we begin. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment area below. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up if you found it useful. Okay, now let's return to the video. Today, I'm going to show you how to listen to Spotify Music or at least some music on a Spotify platform and get paid for it. Throughout this video, I'll walk you through how to set up your Spotify account, which is completely free and you can do it on your phone, computer, or maybe both. I will lead you through this secret website that no one else knows about. After you've set up your Spotify account, you can just get paid to listen to music. Once again, this is a completely new website and I'll walk you through everything. You may begin by visiting open.spotify.com. If you have an Android phone, you can now search for Spotify in the Google Play Store. However, you must download the latest software because it has over 20 million reviews. Many consumers enjoy this app and use it every day to listen to music, but no one is aware of the secret website where they may earn money simply by listening to Spotify Music. If you have an iPhone or an Android, you can simply go to the App Store and download Spotify. But if this is your first time using Spotify, you must first create a free account, which is completely free. To get to this page, click on this link and then click on the sign up for free button to get to this page where you can sign up for free to begin listening. You can either sign up using a Facebook account or you can sign up using your email address and confirm that email and put in a password and then give your profile username, which can be, well, whatever you want, as well as your date of birth and your gender. Then click on this I am not a robot and sign up for the free account. You may now go into your Spotify account and see your profile right here. Once you've completed the registration process, the first thing you'll notice is that there is so much music to listen to on Spotify, and it is divided into so many different categories, and see which one you should focus on that is going to pay you the most money. So for example, if you want to listen to this music, you can just click on this image and they'll be able to start playing it, or you can click on this play button right here to start listening to the music. But as you can see, you want to go to this page and click the create a playlist button. When you click on it, you will be able to build a brand new playlist that will provide a significant amount of passive income every day. Now I'll show you how to do that in a moment, but first I'd like to show you a hidden website where you can sign up to become a music curator and get paid for simply listening to music. Keep watching and I'll reveal the name of this website in a moment. Essentially, you can become a music curator by first listening to Spotify Music and then creating a playlist from it. Now that you've organized all of your music into a playlist, which I'll show you in a moment, and you know what to show, you can submit them to this website. You will notice that you'll be rewarded for every song playlist you submit on this website. The more playlists you submit and the more submissions you make, the more money you'll earn on their website. So now you can see how many submissions we need to earn money. Basically, if you do the last 200 submissions, you will not be paid. You can get a lot more information right here on their website. After completing at least 200 submissions, you will be able to start earning money on this platform. As you can see here, the highest earning is 2,500 submissions, and you can earn £800 by that on this website, which converts to over $1,000 US, and you can just repeat this. This is a completely new website that is both thrilling and beginner friendly, and it can be done by anyone simply by listening to music. All you have to do is go to musicgateway.com. Keep in mind that this may be a fairly challenging sign-up process. I will show you how to fill out all of the documents you'll need to start generating money, so stay tuned until the finish to avoid missing out on this important information. You can scroll down below and look for any button that says join for free. Simply click on this button and you will be taken to these pages. This page says curator, influencer, and playlist submission application. They will provide you all of your money on time because they are so professional. When you scroll down below, you'll see the question, are you a Spotify curator? As you can see, we are going to focus on Spotify in this video and show you how to listen to different types of music, arrange them into playlists, and submit them. All you have to do is listen to Spotify music and arrange it into different playlists, then submit them and get paid. Let's get started. If you are interested, please fill out the form below and we will be in touch soon. Scroll down to see the entire form. The first thing you can do is enter your email address in the first box and then the curator name, which is your full name, in the second box, and then we'll focus on Spotify. From there, you can simply go ahead and click on Spotify right now because it will be the quickest way to get started. Before we go any further, please subscribe to the channel and give it a huge thumbs up if you like this video thus far. And please do leave a comment below if you found this video interesting and useful. We would love to hear what you have to say. Alright, it is now time to go back to work and make some money. On the next question about how many entries do you receive each week? Keep in mind that in order to start getting paid, you must have at least 200 submissions. Otherwise, you will only be paid $0 while answering these questions. It depends on how much time you have, how hard you work, how many songs you want to listen to, and how many playlists you want to submit. But you must submit at least 200 to be paid. If you want to make it a full-time income, I recommend doing 1,000 submissions and starting making a lot of money on this website. From there, you can decide what genre do you accept or what different kinds of music categories do you accept, such as pop dance, hip-hop, rock, jazz, soul, and so on. The more categories you have, the more money you can make on this website, and I'll show you how to find different kinds of genres of music on Spotify in a moment. Following Music Gateway on Instagram is a question where you can simply say no. It doesn't matter. Finally, if there's nothing else you'd like to say or want them to know, we can just leave these blank. And finally, with the question, do you want to become a Music Gateway member or as a guest? Choose Music Gateway member to choose continuous guest and simply enter your first and last names as well as your country. You may select any nation because they welcome individuals from all around the world. Simply input your username and password, then click on the submit button, and that's all you have to do to create a free account and submit your application. Once you've been approved by this website, you can start listening to music and submitting your submissions to various playlists to start earning money. Now we'll move on to a very important step. And I'd like you to return to the Spotify app on your phone or computer, where we will discover different types of music and combine them into different playlists to submit for money. From there, I'd like you to look at their various categories that are relevant to Music Gateway. If you click on See All, you will be able to locate all of the pop music, and there will be hundreds of thousands of various types of music to pick from. What I'd like you to do is build a brand new playlist by clicking on the Create Playlist option. Simply click the Create button to begin. Your playlist will be given a name such as the pop genre. Look at these. You've successfully made a new Spotify playlist. For the time being, you might add music from these genres to your playlist. One of the nicest Spotify features is that if you scroll down, it will automatically propose different songs based on the pop genre. So right now, I'd like you to put all of the music listed under recommendations in your genre playlist. Take a look at these. I just do everything like this and over 10 songs are playing right now. Simply click on the joining library and then on the pop genre under the playlist area, I simply click on this right here, which is the playlist I just created just now with over 22 songs, and that's all you have to do. Look at this, that's one submission. You will need more than 200 to start getting paid, and you'll have to spend a considerable amount of time listening to different music and creating a playlist to submit them. So the next thing I'd like to show you is how to copy a playlist link by clicking on it. When you click on this, the link to your playlist will be copied. That's all you have to do. And you can just repeat the process by searching for and creating 4 different playlists, each of which you can add music to with each submission of the playlist, allowing you to earn money. Well, that is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it and you learned something new about this content. If you find this video useful, please leave a huge thumbs up and comment down below if you have questions. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell so you will be updated whenever I post a new video. Once again, thank you so much and I'll see you in the next one.